Hello everyone, welcome to Mob Developers. Hope you all are doing good. I am Sajib, back again after a long time. Today I will be starting a new series on Android application development. The chances are you are watching this video because you are learning, or at least you want to learn Android application development. I will be making it on both native Android and Flutter. To understand this series, you need to have programming background, otherwise it might be harder for you. Later on, I will be starting programming related series as well. So, enough of talking, let's get started on our topic. Today I will show you the very first step to start developing native Android app, which is making the environment ready. In this video, I will show you how you can install Android Studio, Android SDK, AVD or Emulator, etc. So let's jump into the work. So first of all, open your web browser and go to developers.android.com/studio. You will see Android Studio download page here. You can directly download it from here, or if you like, you can check the requirement first. If it matches in your requirement, then you can proceed to the download. Here it requires 64-bit Windows 8 at least. You can choose any 8, 10, 11, whatever you want, and you can check this other requirement as well. Then proceed to download. And we are downloading the Android Studio. Accept the term and condition and click download Android Studio for Windows. I already downloaded this file, so I am not downloading it again because it might take a long to get downloaded. Then open this installer. It will start installing Android Studio in your system. Just wait a while. Click next and leave everything as it is and click install. It might take a moment. It's done. Now start Android Studio and click finish. After opening first time, you will see something like this. Then you can go the setting and check for update. If there is any update, it will be downloaded. Then click on more action, and from here go to SDK manager. Here you need to download some files and tools to get started. From here select Android 12, 11 or 10 or anything you want. You will see every Android version here. We don't need all of them. We can select just +3 or 1 is enough. If you want any other package, you can click on this and it will expand and you can choose any package. We don't need all of them. These two are enough. Now go to SDK tools, and from here check on Android SDK build tools, NDK side by side. It's not required, it will be required later. Check on Android Emulator, Android SDK platform tools, Play Store services. That's enough here. Now click on apply. It will download the file. Press OK and it will be installed. It might take some time because the files are larger, so you need to wait till it finished. Then click on finished and OK. Now we will install Emulator for our Android Studio. So click the more action and open AVD manager. From here click on create virtual device. From the list you can select any device you want to use as emulator. We are choosing Pixel 4. Click on next, and you need to download any Android version, Android system image from here. We already download Android R. If you don't have this, you need to download it first. Then click on next and don't touch anything here, it's not required. Then click on finish. Okay, it's done. Now we can run our emulator by pressing this button. and it will be started instantly. Okay, so our emulator has been installed successfully, and now we can proceed to our very fast Android app. To check if everything fine, we will create a new project and check if it's run or not. So click on new project, check empty activity, click next, and give it a name. I am not changing anything, just change it to Java. Select a target device which will be the minimum supported device. So I am choosing Android Lollipop, enough for 98% of devices, which is a lot. We don't need legacy Android support libraries. Then click on finish and wait a while. It might take a time for first time build. Before doing this step, make sure you have a stable internet connection, otherwise it might take a very long. You might be disappointed. Okay, it's almost done, and you will see the files and folder on left side and the code file on the right side. So we will be discussing on the files later on. Now we will just run the app and check if it's working or not. If we can run it successfully, then we can say everything is fine. We will proceed to next step. Okay, seems it's fine and we can proceed to next step. Anyway, if you see any error, let me know by commenting down below. I will help you to solve the errors. One more issue you might face while installing Android emulator, just simply search for Windows feature, then look for Hyper-V and make sure it's enabled. Then try again, it might solve your problem. Anyway, hope you liked this video. Thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe for upcoming video. I will be posting videos regularly.